Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Let's get the map up. Where are we going? We're going from Paignton Zoo onto the new South Devon Link Road past Newton Abbot. And here you go, here's where we start at Teign Ways. Teign Ways Crossroad, well, you go straight on there for Torquay. If we turn left we'd head for Brixham, or we turn right to join the A380. So come with me on this rather dull March day. It's worthwhile mentioning the zoo first opened in 1923. It now has a collection of around 2,000 animals across 4,000 species. Well worth a visit if you're down in the Devon way. Now that part of the video where I have to ask if you can subscribe or give me a like or comment. It costs you nothing, and if you can subscribe it'd be very much appreciated. Thank you very much. Anyway, enough of me talking, let's carry on with the video. Well, it's me, I'm back now. Unfortunately, this part of the road is still single lane either way. It does open up onto a dual carriageway, as you'll see, but this does get really busy with traffic in the summer. They have added a new bit that we're coming up to. Whether that will carry on all the way through to Paignton, who knows. We have the ubiquitous new Lidl's open on our left here, and this opens up to a dual carriageway before it joins to Hammerin Way. So do be warned, if you're coming down in the middle of summer, loads of traffic round here. Hammerin Way here, which is at the top of Torquay. Lovely bit of dual carriageway, and this is what will carry on all the way down. Do take a notice though, the variable speed limits, it's 40 on this bit, and mark my words, there are speed cameras all over the place, especially in summer, catching the unwary tourist.
Now about to join Hammerin Way. I do not know why it's given two separate names, so if you do know, put the description down in the comments below, but it's still, guess what, the dual carriageway. Again, the speed limit's gone up to 50 here, so a bit of variety. Enjoy the ride. And now we're turning on to what's known as the King's Kerswell Bypass, or the South Devon Link Road. And can you believe this stretch of road was originally planned in 1951? Yeah, 1951 it was planned, but it was opened in 2015. If that isn't indicative of British road building, I'm not quite sure what is. But this is a brand new stretch of road, and it does have variable speed cameras on it, so you have been warned.
So we're coming into Newton Abbot itself now. This is the big junction where you can keep in the left hand lane and you'll go down to Newton Abbot, and down there is a McDonald's and the Sainsbury's. Or if you want to carry straight on to join the A380 and the M5 further on up by Exeter, you stay in the right hand lane and carry on over the bridge that was lifted into position one night. So quite a big engineering job, but a lovely part of the road. There you go, we're coming up to Ware Barton turn off now, just going over the River Teign. If you could look to your right, you'd see Teignmouth and the sea, but this is where we leave the video. So thank you for watching. Please do give me a like, and I know I've already asked, but if you can subscribe, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.